You have a car that won't start. It's analogous to a starter solenoid in a car. Look it up. That car won't start when it goes bad. That car won't start when you don't have enough power to turn it over. And I put this up here because it's engineering. It's like the plan. It's mathematical. It's programming. It's not that simple. But if this starts, the engine starts. And you need a boost of power for that to happen. When a car runs on cold and the battery starts to run down, sometimes it won't kick the starting mechanism over to kick the engine over. True or false? That's what friction-free 3000 is for. But in the plan, you have the same problem. Now listen to me really hard for 1 minute. You can't start the engine. You don't have the power to kick it over. That's why you need a partner. Don't do this without a senior partner.